insurance and shipping phrases. This unit is also divided into two portions. In first portion in today class we will do the insurance phrases, and in next class we will do the shipping phrases. Phraseography in insurance and shipping. The following list of phrases in common use in insurance and shipping are only a small selection of the total number of such like phrases to be met with daily in either of these important branches of business. The shorthand writer entering upon work in either an insurance or a shipping office should immediately set about familiarizing himself with the terms he will be called upon to write in shorthand and with their meanings. His value to his employers and his chances of promotion will depend largely upon his intelligent understanding of the terms employed and his unscathed efforts to extend his knowledge of the business. Okay, so these are the points of the insurance and shipping phrases. So let's start the phrase of insurance. First is accident insurance company. First is accident insurance company. So accident, so accident, accident. Then for insurance and company. ठीक है, एक सेकेंड. S and K, insurance company. Accident, for insurance we use the stroke S, and for company we use the stroke K. Next is damage to premises. So DM, damage to का omission and premises. PR, M and last circle of S, premises. Approximate rate of premium. So, PR, approximate, then rate of commission and premium. So PR and M. Next is damage of tires. So D, M, damage, then tires, T, downward R and S, tires. Automatic sprinklers. Automatic sprinklers. So for automatic we use the stroke T. So first we have to make the outline for sprinklers. So S P, SP, then N, spring, then KR and downward R, S, sprinklers. And for automatic we use the T, stroke T, sprinklers. ठीक है, ये हो गया automatic sprinklers. Next is date and term of insurance. So for date we use the stroke D, date, and का omission, then term, TR, M, term, and of commission and disjoin करके for insurance NS. ठीक है, insurance. Next is bonus year of the company. So for bonus we use the B, stock B, then year of the commission, and for company we use the stock K. Dislocation of the wrist. So dis of the commission and wrist, RST का loop. Next is casual employment. So KS casual, then MPL and half length of MNT. Fire insurance, FR fire and intersect with the help of intersection NS. ठीक है, insurance. Then combined accident and disease policy. So combine B and combine, then K S D accident and disease, S for policy, stock B and the suffix, then combine accident disease commission disease policy. In full discharge of all claims. So in full and intersection करते हुए discharge of, then claims KMS claims. Next is damage by fire, DM damage and FR fire. Incombustible materials. So in फिर BS फिर है materials, MLS materials. Next is insurance company. So insurance N and S insurance company. Interim bonus, interim B and S bonus. Next is life insurance. So LF life, then NS insurance. Proposal form received, PR proposal and form and SV receipt. Life policy, LF life and P stock policy. Q in quennial valuation. So QNEL, and for valuation stroke V. Loan on the policy. So LN, loan, on the का omission, and for policy stroke P. Next is register number of the car. So RJ, register, then number of the commission and car. Clear? Register number of the car. Next is medical examination. Medical and examination. M. Next is renewal of the policy. So R and downward L and policy. Renewal policy of the का omission. Next is moral of the risk. M R downward L, moral and risk के लिए R. Responsibility of the company. Then R S, responsibility, and for company stroke K. Motor car. Motor and car. Situation of the crane. So for situation and crane, intersection के साथ crane. Next is ordinary accident policy. So ordinary accident and disjoin करके policy. Third party indemnity insurance. So for third in half length, third, then party and indemnity and for insurance, indemnity के लिए हमने स्टॉक N यूज करा है, and for insurance NS. Then personal accident insurance. So PR, pers, NL, personal accident, and NS for insurance. Next is Workman Compensation Act. Then worksman, then compensation, P S and shun, compensation act. Next is personal injury. Then PR S and L, personal, J and R. Injury. Policy is declared void. So we use for policy we use the stroke P. So इसको अभी हम इंटरसेक्शन में यूज़ करेंगे, तो ये P हम बाद में लगाएंगे. So first we make the outline for declared. So D and K, declare and void and policy. ठीक है, पॉलिसी, डिक्लेयर, void. void के लिए हाफ लेंथ ऑफ V. नेक्स्ट इज policies are declared void. देन सेम आउटलाइन, पहले declared, then void, and for policies P with circle S. Okay, so all these are the phrases of insurance. ठीक है, सो जहाँ पर भी इंश्योरेंस से रिलेटेड डिक्टेशन होगा वहाँ हम इन सारे फ्रेजेस को, इन सारे आउटलाइंस का यूज़ करेंगे.